All right, the 4T60E has at least 3 front planetaries that you need to be aware of, and they do not interchange with each other. A real quick way to determine the differences in these is 0.265. Let's see if we can get this mic close to 0.265 is the width of the mid-size bushing. So right there, not the distance from here to the bottom, but the bushing itself is 0.265. And you can see a huge difference between that and the so-called wide bushing. And then over here we have the one that has no bushing at all. So you have a no bushing, a narrow bushing, and a wide bushing. And we're going to look in the book here and see if we've got any more than what I have here on the shelf. All right, you can see here in the book that we have mention of the 0.350 wide bushing. It's the one I call the wide bushing version. The one I call the narrow bushing version is the 0.265 wide bushing. And there are 2 versions of that. From 86 to 91, there was no bevel on the ring gear. There is some overlap in 91 of the 2.265 wide bushing with the bevel on the outside of the ring gear from 91 to 93. I've never had any problem interchanging those 2. Just can't interchange the 0.350 wide bushing with the 0.265 wide bushing. And the no bushing at all was an even later, even though it's not mentioned in the book, it's even later model. And you can see here it notes early 93. So it may be late 93 that we started with that no bushing version. Let me know in the comments below if you know exactly what your models those are, because I don't remember. And here's you a good exploded view of the 4T60 series.
Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We've got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.